How nice, ko! You have your own art. You're really artistic, Bim. You have your own. You don't need to trace. No need to copy. It's your own, Bim. Wow, wow.
Nursery rhyme.
Wow.
Nursery rhymes.
Wow, Norcy.
Nursery.
Nursery rhyme? Nursery.
Nursery rhymes. Nursery rhymes. Nursery rhymes.
Nursery.
Nursery rhymes.
Oh, nursery rhyme. Nursery. Rhyme.
Nursery rhymes.
Mm-hmm.
Nursery rhymes. Mary had a little lamb. Nursery rhymes.
Show it to Mama B. Wow, nice girl, baby. Oy. Nice yung girl, oy. Ha? Show to Mama, ha? Show to Mama. May you finish? Then show to your Mama. Okay? Oh, nindot kaya kung kuhan siguro. Oh. Green.
Teal. Now, white.
Mhm.
Scarlet. Scarlet. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Okay. Wow. Wow. It's done. It's done. May I see? Picture,
Can
mommy.
you cut the paper off?
Mm. Wow. Wow, nice yung gidraw ni Evan, no? Kanani. Wow, my girl. She's drawing us so very nice. Wow, Kanani those. Look at guys. Just now, ano niya ginawa, nagdo-drawing. Drawing na. With singing pa. Sa yung nursery rhyme.
Beans.
Okay.
Vegetables.
Yes.
Vegetables.
Mm-hmm. What you do, Ben? What you do? What you do, Ben? Mm.
Wrong. Find out.
Oh, smarty kay ang girl. Oh,
Park.
oh.
The park.
Ah, the park. Do, buting ida park. Park daw ni siya, ati. Park.
Shark.
Ah, where's the shark? Nada kay shark dia? Hiting
Shark.
ocean day na, be? Ocean? Oh, nagbuhat siya clay na. This is a clay, oh. Nagbuhat siya clay. Mo yang gi instead of color, yang gi ribbit sa mga ang clay sa ribbon. Smart gi kayo. Marunong. Very nice kayo. Smarty girl. Smart gi kay kabemba. Marunong gi ka art. Nagi kay on
Art.
art. Artistic gi kay kabem, nagi kay on. Oh, wow! It's a clay. Imagine na gaya, oh, clay yan. That's a clay. Wait. Oh, oh. Nice kayo. May mga ano yan yan, marami. Clay.
Oh, shoes.
Finish na? Nagul ko ani asan ako ni siya ipatiwas ate yung eskwela.
Gani. Ito na lagi na, ito na lagi pa-inquire sa enroll sa kwan.
Sa Kongwa?
Hindi, yes, kung ano.
St. Mary's? Ha? Ha?
Ah?
St. Mary's?
Bisilas na, basta kay Duwal.
Layuan man ko sa ako. Oh my girl.
No. Ew. No. Ew. No. Ew.
Girl, nice kayo. Yang art na drawing. Oh, gi-colors na. Sus, burger patty.
Bread.
Ah, bread. Baguette. Actually, naday baguette. Bread?
Cheese.
Bakit?
Baguette.
Bakit, mama?
Baguette. Naday?
Yes, mama. Tumang ka, wala ka ba
Yellow.
mga klase?
Yellow.
Wala ko kay Ross ko ana na nga kuan. Cheese daw.
Nagdahil kayo?
Ah. Mo ay tawag sa amo ana kuan. Bagels.
Jellyfish.
Bagels na siya, bagel bread.
Green.
Bagels bread.
It's
Ay.
Bebe.
Ah. Moy. Wow, look at
French
yung
fries.
burger. Nay
Garfield.
cheese. Nay lettuce.
fries.
A French fries. Tanawa yung ngalan siyang French fries. Mama, karon na mama. French fries daw. Wow.
Spelling wrong.
No. Naa siya name sa iyang brand. Garfield.
Garfield.
Mo yang
Garfield.
yang box. Name siya box.
Garfield.
Then it's a cat.
Garfield.
Giduwingan na niya.
What's next? A Garfield.
French fries ya.
Garfield.
Grabe na yung mga anak. Tarawa.
What's next?
Mm.
Garfield.
Ako gangisen ha. Wow, ang galing naman ni Heaven, oh. Wow, red pa ang box. McDonald's box.
Garfield.
Uh-oh.
It's a Garfield.
It's a Garfield. Lagi ko no mama. Ay, yung box sa French fries. Uh-huh. Wow, kanindot ba? Nabi mo eh. Wow. Hilig na siya cut mo. Nang hilig siya sa cuts. Kato, memorize na gud niya mga lalain ka. Kwan sa kwan. Oh my God, name mo Benoy.
More candy.
Wow, nice color, Bem. You're so perfect.
Yellow.
Wow, yellow. Wow. May kasi mo pilig color na.
Yani.
Kanang makuan jud siya. Kana bang mo match jud siya iyang kuanak, no? Yung background, tanawa yung background. Orange, French fries, yeah, orange. Makakuan jud siya. Nindot siya kuan ba nga maligyas. Mahalin jud. Oh, look at, oh, wow, ipakita niya mama na ako. Mama, show to mama. Mama, show to mama your penis.
Burger. Bread.
Yeah.
Sandwich.
Yeah, show to mama. Perfect, your perfect one.
Perfect.
Wow, look at mama.
Perfect food.
Nice.
Mama.
Perfect food.
Perfect food. Mama, mama angin na. Baby, may isi. May isi, oh. Mama, oh, look. Show to mama well. Very well.
Show to mama.
Show to mama.
This is mine.
It's the burger.
Burger.
Kaya murag beagles na siya nak. Nakakuha lagi ko nga beagles dahil niyang gay baget? Ano na bet? Di kay mura man Arabic. Chinese. Murag sa Chinese na nga words. Japanese. Ha? Ha? Daddy, mangutana ko sa ba, Daddy. Ala, be careful. Wow, you dropped your step. Oh my God, your vegetable.
Drop dirty food.
Do not eat the dirty, it's dirty food na. Okay?
Dirty food.
French? French din na? Paano ko tanawar ako sa image B? Oo, karon wala kay ko ka pamilya mo din ang sige niya gay kwan sa ng bagets. Unsa na?
Kanina niyo.
Ala be?
Mga yanuan lang. Gisen.
Gisan din mo. Bitaraw na ako. Hey. Si girl nag-fix siyang toys. Kaya yang
English. Wala nag-renew po.
Kuy, wala gid ko ana nga bread. Wala gid ko ana. Mo gani. Wala ko ka kuan gid ana kay dili man ko hingaon ko yung bread sa kuan. Ha? Di man gid ko hingaon. May pagpandisal kay mungaon pag gid ko. Mo ginang komo na to pandisal. Hala ka pa diya. Oh my artist.
Wow.
Oh, she coloring her is I don't know what she's lineup. Lineup daw.
Black, black, black.
Mhm,
Black.
Black daw.
Black.
Wow, black. Wow.
Black singer.
Wow, kung artist. Artistic kayo siya. Oh. Very artistic. Wow. Sige na.
Girl.
Yeah, the girl. The girl. Black
Boy and girl.
Yeah, boy and girl.
Boy and girl.
Mm-hmm.
Boy and girl.
She's wearing a beast. The boy is wearing a beast dress. Ah, she's wearing a beast.
I'll dress you. Crayons.
Yeah, oh.
Colorful crayons.
Wow. Colorful crayon.
Colorful crayon.
Wow. Is that crayon?
Colorful crayons.
Wow. Crayons.
Crayons.
What you want? Color?
Color.
Oh, you need to transfer that, babe.
Colorful crayons.
Mm-hmm. You need to, so that you can, wow. So that's the right, so that you will not, that's the right to place like that, so that you can see right away the color, to identify the color. She's dancing, Ben. She's dancing na. Nag-exercise siya, Ben? 1, 2, 3. Huh?
I'm lady. Girl.
Yeah, girl.
Lady girl.
A lady girl. Wow. A lady girl. Nice lady girl.
Lady girl.
Galing mo naman, Bem, oy.
Night sequin.
Galing mo, Bem, oh. Galing na ni Bem, Bem, oh. Ang galing magpili ng color, oh. Nice, nice.
Sequins.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Ang galing mo naman, Bem, oh. Magpili ng color, oh. Talaga.
Colorful.
Parang na-match sa contents mo, ah.
Colorful sequins.
Wow.
Colorful sequins.
Sequence na siya, Bem. Her dress. Alam niya, oh. Paano, oh. Ayan, oh. Alam na talaga niya paano.
Color balls.
Hindi na yan nagtitingin, oh. Sa kanya lang yan. Their own good.
Color balls. Good star.
Oh.
Colorful.
No tracing na.
Colorful sequins.
Okay, good. Nice dress. Is that their
Wings.
costume? Huh? Angel? Is that a wings? Huh? Dress. Is that a dress, Be? Wow, nice. Nice. Wow.
Colorful sequins.
Wow, nice. Wow. How about your cat? How's that, the cat? The small. The girl and the boy. Cats.
Black and brown.
Black and brown.
Black.
Yeah, and brown. Yeah, correct.
Black and brown.
Correct.
Black
Very good
and
color.
brown.
Very good.
Black and
Okay.
black and
Wow.
black and brown.
Yes, you're right.
Black
Correct.
and brown.
You're correct. Black and brown.
Black. Black stairs. Black. Black stairs. Black stairs. Black stairs. Black.
Think pa siya.
Black.
Post yan. Mag-post. Mag-think kung anong kulay. Paano niya isi-shade. Ayan.
Black.
Your eyes is
Black
black.
and
Black yung shade. Eyes.
it's a black.
Ah.
Black.
Wow.
Black and brown.
Wow. Nice kayo, Bim. Wow. Very nice.
Varna.
Wow. Are they wearing a costume, Bim?
Costume party.
Costume party, that one. Nice. Huh? Costume party. Wow. Wearing a bees dress? Costume?
Bees.
Bee. Bubble bees. Okay, so cool. Very cool, Bim. Very, very cool. Oh, great cool, Kaisha, Bim. You're so good. You're so artistic. You have your own. Celestia, you're so very good. Wow, nice. Nice. Yellow.
Black. Black.
Black. Black. So, she's wearing a black shirt?
Black.
Huh?
Black shorts.
It's
black short.
Short pants. It's a black shirt. Short pants?
Image.
Wow, look at yung mga ano yun. Ang galing talaga ni Heaven, oh. Ang babo lang yan, oh. Yung burger, yung
Black and brown.
sandwich niya, oh.
Sandwich.
And the french fries. Wow, ang galing ni Bembem, oh. At saka yung ano niya, artisan
Brown.
bread
Black and
na
black.
sandwich.
Black and brown. Black
bago. Sarili niya yan, oh. Ayan, oh. Perfect na perfect talaga. Ang ganda, oh. Aquarium. Parang sus, ang galing. Nakamatch talaga ang ano niya, oh. Color. Fantastic din. Ayan, look at. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda ako. Nagagandahan ako nito, oh. Gawa siya ng bag. And say, I love you. Then, nilagay niya yung cookies dyan. So, kinikip na lang.
What's that?
Oh, mayroon siyang Japanese restaurant. Tignan mo ang ano niya spelling. At least, marunong. Oh. So, meron pa siyang design niyang katso. Oh, memorize na niya yung mga ano, cats, mga
Rex.
cats. Archocks daw.
Rex.
Rex daw. Galing-galing ni Heaven, eh. Ayan. Bilis, oh. Bilis.
Rex.
Rex. Rex. Rex.
Black.
Rex. Rex.
Black.
Ang galing naman to.
Black. Black. Black.
What is your favorite
Black.
color then?
Black and brown.
Oh, it's a match color? You're done? Not yet.
Line up everyone.
What is this? No? No colors?
What's this?
Wow, shade. Ano na? Highlights na, oh. Gamit siyang highlights, oh. Ayan, highlights. Color na, oh. Pang highlights, oh. Wow, ang galing ni Bembem, oh. Marunong, oh. Ayan. Si Vanico. Ang akong, ano,
Boy.
my
Jackson.
island girl. Ang galing mag-art. Mag-drawing. Artistic talaga. May own sarili siya. Siya sa own drawing siyang hand style. Sarili niya yan, style. Hindi na nagte-trace, hindi na naglulok ng ano. Pero, mag-watch siya ng TV, paulit-ulit, para ma-memorize niya. Paano. Ganun siya. Repeated so much. Wow. Ang galing, oh. Marunong talaga, oh. Ang galing, oh. Yan ang nakikita niya sa YouTube TV. Paulit-ulit. Manood. Watching all the time. Masaya ang ano, ang YouTube channel. Kasi paulit-ulit siya. Magba-viral sila. 1,000 of viewing ni Bembem. Siguro mag-million M. Ulit-ulit. Ayun. Yung talent ni Celestia. Neve. Hi, Neve. Hi, Neve. Celestia Neveji Bautista. Ang galing. Na-inherit talaga niya ito sa mga kalahi naming Ancheta. Kasi talaga na-search yan sa brother ko. My
Boy,
late
and thank you. Thank you.
my brother.
Thank you. And have a nice day.
Brother.
Thank you.
Wala na, pumanaw na. Magaling yun sa art.
Dawn Scoy.
Artistic
Dawn
din
Scoy.
yun. Ang galing-galing mag-drawing. Ito, namanan niya sa Ancheta talaga. Sa yung brother ko na-search niya si ano pala yung ano namin, isang hero na si Luna. Batikan sa arts. National siya. Kalimutan ko niyan si Luna. Basta magaling siya sa
Girlfriend.
sa arts. Isang pintor, kaya painting artist. Ang mama pala ay Ancheta. Doon na nalaman namin ay namana pala yan sa mga Ancheta. Yung mother ni Lona Ancheta. Yung pintor sa Philippines.
Mura.
Ang galing ni Evan, Ayan, maganda na. Tignan, Look at guys. Ang ganda na,
Havana Brown. Havana Brown.
Havana Brown.
Havana Brown.
Wow.
Highland.
Memorize na talaga. Ben, no? Sila ni, si Cats, no? The 100 Village Cats. Hundred cats, Ben, mga breed cats. Memorize mo na talaga, Ben, ba? Paulit-ulit.
Highland. Himalayan.
Sus, Diyos ko, Lord. Ayan, memorize na yan. Paulit-ulit. Ang bilis niyan makamemorize. Ang galing ng memory. Wow. What is that, Ben? Light? Huh?
What is
Oh, light disco. Wow. May light disco. Iba-ibang kulay. What about here?
Highland.
You don't like this color? Put it here para you can see it, the color. Wow, disco lights. Wow. Wow. So, magdi-disco lights daw. Sumayaw sila. May music, ano pa. Sounds, system there, oh.
Sister.
Uh-huh. No, the sound system. The sounds.
Sound.
The volume. Yeah. I think that's a volume, yeah. Sounds, volume.
Oh no! Where my nose?
Oh, mag-drink din ka sa kuan ka nun, nasa top. Ka, mag-drink tayo medicine. After that, you finish. The rest be tomorrow. Another day tomorrow, okay? Anyway, Sunday tomorrow. No class. Huh? There's no class. Galing talaga, oh. Pumili, oh. Highlight na naman niya. Wow, it's done? What about the wings? Oh. You need a volume sound? Unsa man na siya, Ben? A volume sound? What is that mean? The music?
Colder. Coldest.
Huh? Coldest? Oh,
Cold.
cold. So cold. You feel? You feel? Huh? You want to close the AC? No. You want to close the AC?
Hot. Cold. Hot.
Mm-hmm.
Cold.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Ayan.
Cold.
Mhm.
Hot and cold.
Yeah.
Hot and cold.
Correct. Cold, chill ikaw. Nag-chill ikaw. Yan, yan pa size na.
Crayon.
Sinave na niya ng darker.
Hot. Cold.
Hot and cold.
Hot.
Hot and cold.
Cold.
Mhm.
What's cold?
Meron pa urog.
Main crew. Dark.
Alam talaga niya, oh.
Waiting.
Oh my God.
Aging.
Sorry, wow.
Dimmer.
It's a wood.
Cypress.
Cypress? Wow. Cats? Cypress cats? The cats of Cyprus? Name?
Cypress.
Name of
Shade.
Cyprus cats na siya. So it be in the Cyprus country.
Name.
Because Cyprus country, we have a Cyprus country, so that's the name of their cats.
Cypress.
Cyprus. Wow. Ang galing, Heaven. What about the dogs, Ben?
Dawn sky.
What about the dogs? You need the names of the dogs.
Dawn sky.
Uh-huh.
Dawn sky.
Wow.
Dawn sky.
Memorize na po ang 100 dogs names for the one. Labrador, like this.
Labrador.
Bulldog. Chihuahua. Mga dog's name.
Kidman.
Mhm.
Red. Red, black. Red,
Ang galing. Galing mo naman, Ben, oh.
Cypress.
Ang galing naman ni Ben, oh.
Kidman.
Parang ang rainbow, Ben.
Cypress. Rainbow horse.
That's a rainbow, Ben.
Colorful.
That's a rainbow, Ben.
Bicolor.
Wow. Oh, God.
Oriental bicolor.
Wow. Very nice. Wow. Nice color the ground, Ben. Wow. That's their dance floor ground. Huh? Wow, nice nilang one, Ben. Very nice. Nice, so much nice. Nice, Ben. Very good, girl. Galing mo naman, Ben, oh. Super, super, oh. Ang galing, oh. Oo. So, mabenta ta na yan, Bem. Bibenta na natin. Ha? Oh, wow. Ang galing, girl. So,
banana.
okay. AJ yan.
Yes.
Ice cream bar.
Nawang gibuhat sa girl. Oh, nice kayo. Nawa yung place. Oh, ganito siya. May mga ano yan, mga headband, meron mga mascara, mask. Yan yung mga mask niya, oh. Paggabi, ginaganyan niya yan. Yan, oh. Nilagyan yung mga ano. Oh. Gumawa siya ng mask niya, oh. Oh. Mga mask niya, oh. Saya mga stuffed toys. Nagdikit na naman siya, oh. Ayan. Abyssinia daw, cat. Oh my God. Charchooks cat. Wow. Papanood niya ng mga ano, video. Yan ang na ulit-ulit. Ito-drawing na. Ayan. Ito, oh. Enjoy siya, oh. Nice kayo. Wow, nice clay. Sunflower. Wow, chocolate. Wow, clay ni Ben mo. Wow, the sunflower. Wow. Ayan, meron po siyang angel ba ito? Wow, galing ni girl ko. Ang dami na niyang nagawa, oh. Sus, nako, oh. Ayan, oh, mga ano niya, oh. Meron pang Japanese restaurant daw. Wow. May line up pa, oh. May line up. Wow. Sino ba to? Parang character na ano, Sino ba ito? Hindi ko na cut. Yata yun. Superpower. Parang ano ito anak niya. Na-hurt. Oh my gosh. Ito ang mga ano sa baby ko, girl. Oh, may Labrador pa, oh. Oh, nagdi-disco yata to. Nagda-dance floor. Eh, nako, my girl. Ayan, oh. Galing naman ni Bembeng, oh. Ayan, oh. Dami siyang ano. Sarili niya yan. Sarili niya yung mga ginagawa. Inano ko na, kinikip ko na yung mga nasa wall. Tanggal na namin na meron na namang panibago. Yung cat. Abyssinian cat daw yan eh. Sa mga breeder cats na cats, mga breed. Charchooks daw. Memorize na niya yan. 100 na My God. Wow, look at the cookies of heaven. Clay making. Wow. It's nice. This cookies dough is ready to serve. Wow. Wow. Girl, I love you. Wow. She pays it. I love you. Wow. She put the tape. Wow. I will buy you for a sticker. Huh? Soon, sticker to put love like this. Wow. I love you. Wow.
I love cookies.
I love cookies. Wow. Cookies here? Wow. Open it. You give for the gift? Wow. You make a cookies gift? Wow. Wow. May I see inside? Show me. Show me your inside.
Thank you.
Wow, thank you daw. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow.
Thank you.
Wow, nice yeah, you young make it. My girl. Huh? Wow. Wow, nice call you, babe. May I see this, babe? Wow. Great. Wow. You put the cookies inside it. Wow, here are the cookies. Wow, she make a cookies, huh? That one she make. Wow, I want to order. Wow. Allah. I want to order the wow, nice your bag for the cookies. Wow, nice yung cookies bag. It's a cat. Oh, look at the cat. Look like a real perfect Bam. Oh, go. Heaven, the good heaven. Wow, Abyssinian daw. Cat. Breed. Wow. Kana siya chart?
True.
Wow.
True.
Wow, look at my artistic girl. Look at aquarium made last night and the sandwich. Look at. Oh my God. This is what she's watching in the YouTube. Look at Rex Dow. Oh my gosh. Oh, artistic girl. So much. Oh, she's doing it. Look at guys all making a do. Mixing, mixing. That's the way she is. Mm-hmm. She have a flower here. Okay.